So we're going to start with our curly ever after, spray that all through our dry hair. It's going to give heat protection and really help those waves stay in. When using any form of heat on your hair, it's absolutely essential to use heat protection. Never miss this step. This technique is a little bit tricky to begin with, but once you get the hang of it, you should find it super simple. So with the clasp at the front, we place the tongs in our hair and curl back. Then we're going to flip the tong underneath, just pull through. So flip, pull through, flip, pull through. So with the ends, what we want to do is keep the ends relatively straight. So once the tongs reach the ends of the hair, just pull them through straight to the bottom without giving it any form of twist. By keeping these ends straight, this is going to help create that beach wave look. So again, we just place the tongs in, do a full twist, flip under, twist backwards, flip under, twist backwards, and then straight pull through the ends. Also, when curling, you need to just slightly release the grip of the clasp each time you're pulling the tong through the hair. This just makes a much smoother action, causes less friction on the hair. You'll get a much smoother result. So for example here, I'll just release slightly here, release again, and release the ends. So working every section away from your face in the exact same way. You should be getting a hang of it by now. Don't worry about any steam you see coming off your hair, as long as you've used your heat protection, which we have with using our curly ever after. That's just going to be the product evaporating from the hair. It's not causing any damage at all. Once we've finished curling, we're going to leave it completely to cool. The longer you leave it to cool down, the longer those curls are going to stay in. Then very simply, just use your fingers to run through the ends, break those curls up. You can also do this using a wide tooth comb. I just choose to use my hands. Add in our texture spray all through the ends. There we go. Flawless beach waves.